Alright. The clean pulley, rear pulley, clamshell pulley, is in the cage. The cage is all the way extended from here. It's all been extended. It fits in here. Different cages look a little bit different, but they do the same thing. And you can see up here, the top end of the spring fits up in here. Okay, it's fully extended. Now what we're going to do, if I can turn this around, is you can see the divot, or the cutout right here. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but this part right here will have to go, as I'm tightening the back up right here, it will have to slowly go through, compress the spring, and it will come through here. Good way of doing it is, you can see it's very not lined up at all with this notch right here compared to this notch. So what I like to do is just get it close, and as I'm turning this side over here to compress it, it won't go perfectly all the way in, but you have to get it to where you're 98% right in that spot for it to go in. If it doesn't go in perfectly, you just take this and ease off on the compressor, and you can jiggle it with your hands right here. You can jiggle this right here with your hands, and this a little bit, to where it will go in. And when it goes all the way through right here, then you know, and this will not turn anymore, then you know that it is seated as far as it's going to go. So I'm going to have to do that by hand with the camera off. And then when it gets seated, I kind of wish I had some help. I wish I had like two twin 19-year-old super cheerleader blonde helpers that could help this old man out. But, you know, I dream a lot. Anyway, I'll have to do what I can do with just my arthritic old hands and dreaming. Anyway, I hope all of you out there, that you have a 19-year-old blonde cheerleader helper that can really get in there with some hands-on experience and help you.